That's a good size perch, rainbow perch. Nice. Are you gonna keep it? Yeah, just keep it. Yeah.
Shit, look at all those colors.
They're very beautiful colors. Yeah. How's it going? Any luck? That's a link code, man. It's a link code. Yeah. Oh, careful, careful. Careful, careful, don't fight it. Let me help you out. Hold on. Hold on. Yeah, wait for the wave. Nice. No, it's a cubby. It's a cabezon.
Cubby, no, I thought it was a link.
It's a cubby.
Oh, shit.
Man, that's a cabezon. I thought it was a lingcod, man. Shit. What did it swallow? The thing is so.
I think it's, and maybe only a small fish bite.
Yeah,
Maybe
yeah.
he took the small fish too.
Oh yeah, could possibly, man. This thing is huge.
Because I have a small bite and then all of a sudden it was pulling my line.
I think it took the small fish.
Really?
Yeah. Man, this thing is huge. Raise him up. Lift him up. Oh. Man, that thing is big. Okay, hold my rod.
Oh my God, I'm so sorry.
It's okay, you don't have to be sorry, no problem.
Oh yeah, I can do that.
Okay. Okay, come on.
So you just keep pulling like that?
Yeah?
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you. I think I'm giving up for the day.
How long have you been fishing?
An hour and a half.
Oh, still have plenty of time. It's incoming tide now. Yeah.
Is that
But
better?
try, yeah, that's better. Try to cast around this place. Avoid, you know,
Over here.
over here.
Yeah.
On? Oh, it came off. Oh, it's still on, still on. I can feel it. It's a perch. Oh! Shit. It's a big one. Yes. Marco. Rubber lips. Yeah, round about that. Yeah, it's a good dinner. Beautiful fish. Rubber lips, yeah. It's a fish and fish heavy. Yeah, it's fighting. Yeah. I have no idea. I have no idea what this guy is. What? Monkey face like you? What the heck is this? This is what you call monkey face? Oh wow. I've never eaten this thing. I don't even know how to cook it.
They say the gut smell kind of bad.
The smell?
The gut, when they clean the gut,
Yeah.
Some people they say it's awful smell.
Ah.
Because they eat they are vegetarian, they say. They say they're kind of vegetarian.
Uh-huh. Wow. I mean, I think I've caught this before. Yeah.
I have the same one too.
You wanna keep it?
Huh?
Keep it.
No, I don't.
Huh?
I have enough fish. My wife be like, you guys catch just
I mean,
ugly.
I don't know how to cook this thing.
The same thing. You can just cook it, just boil it, whatever.
Huh?
Steam it.
You sure you don't wanna keep it?
I only got one already.
Well, you can have two. It's okay. It's okay.
You don't want to get let it go.
Okay, it's your lucky day, buddy. Go home. Go in peace. Man. Wow. That's a big. What's your name?
Howard.
Howard.
Yeah.
Emmanuel.
Manual.
Emmanuel, yes. Yeah. Nice meeting you.
Your buddy?
Marco.
Marco.
Yes.
Manuel Marco.
Yes.
Okay, double M.
Yes. Yeah, hopefully we'll see you again here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like this one, especially like a hot day. It was like under the tree.
Yes.
Day.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Take care. Oh wow, that's a heavy load.